Hello there everyone, welcome to my channel. And then in this tutorial video, we will answer another machine problem or programming assignment by one of our subscriber. So basically, if you have a problem in programming, as long that I can solve it, you can send it to me, and then not too complicated, I will try it to solve it for free, no additional cost. So before we continue discussing about the problem and then the solution, I would like to say thank you so much to all my followers, subscribers, and fans of my channel. Thank you for watching, commenting, sending some email, and then some of them are already my client in software development. Thank you so much for your trust and confidence. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Please support my channel, guys, by clicking the subscribe button. If you want to learn more about myself and my services in development, and you want to acquire my services in computer tutorial, you can join in the join button to know me more. So there is a button that is join. So I hope that you will continue support my channel. So let's get started. Okay, there is a problem that is being sent to me via Gmail. Number 2. Actually, there is 2 problem, but I already done creating the solution with the first problem. This is the second problem. Create a Java program will print the sum. When we say sum, addition, difference, subtraction, product, multiplication, quotient, or division of 5 numbers. Total points is 25 points. The program determines the sum, difference, product, quotient, 15 points. So we have here sample output. Enter first number 5, enter second number 5, enter third number 5, enter fourth number 5, enter fifth number 5. The sum of 5 numbers is 25. The difference of 5 numbers, negative 5. The product of 5 numbers is 3,125. Okay, there is typing error here. The quotient, not product, of 5 numbers is 0. So the requirement, according to my follower and subscriber, the program should display an output 5 points according to the teacher. Second, the program codes have relevant comments, 3 points. The program has the file name pt surname to 2 points. Okay, so let us go with the solution. So we have here, I name the program basic_math.java. Maybe some of you will be intrigued what kind of IDE or integrated development environment that I'm always using in writing my program. I'm using Eclipse IDE for Java developers. It is free to download from the internet. Okay. So we have here, well, the file name should be basic_math, _math. Okay, so you can visit my 2 websites, www.jkrpomprada.com, and then the other one is jkrpomprada.blogspot.com. Free to download source code there. And then if you want to reach out for my technical support, I'm offering my services in computer programming, software testing, IT consultancy at a very affordable cost. You can email me directly at jkrpomprada@gmail.com. Quality service at a very reasonable and high quality technical support. So I'm living here in Bacolod City, Negros Occidental, Philippines. Some of you may be wonder where I'm living in the Philippines. So it is in Bacolod City. Okay, so we have here import Java util scanner for input output in Java. Public class basic_math. Public static void main args. It is a standard method in every Java program that is being searched and executed by our Java compiler. Now, Java input_val, new scanner. We are creating an object here, scanner for input output. And then we have here one-dimensional array declaration, 5 elements. The name of our array is array. And then I declare 5 variables represented by letters A, B, C, D, E, which I initialize to 0. Take note, if you are new with computer programming, when we say int, it refers to a data type that is integer. Integer means that the values that our program can only accept is positive, negative, including 0. There are no decimal places, or else it will become float. So we have here assignment statement or operator, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and quotient. All of them I initialize to 0. Now, again, I will explain why I initialize my variable in 0 if it is an integer. Based on my experience, no, for creating program for maybe I can say 25 years already, if the variable, no, particularly the integer data type, if we don't initialize to a certain value that is 0, what will happen is the result sometimes is not correct, no? So we are trying to avoid that scenario to happen. So we have here the title of our program, new line, basic math operation using arrays in Java. Enter first value, second value will be stored in variable a, b, array 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, and 4, no? So after this, we perform addition. We just add 5 variables, no, a, b, plus c, d, e. Subtraction minus a, minus b, minus c, minus d, minus e. Multiplication, multiply a, asterisk b, asterisk c, asterisk d, asterisk e. Quotient for division a slash b slash c slash d slash e. No? So here we will have some output. The sum of numbers, the difference of numbers, addition, subtraction, the product of numbers, multiply, and lastly the quotient a numbers, quotient underscore val close, and we close our program. So if we go back here, the sample is 5 now, so we will try to check our code. Let us run. Click the play button. We just clicked already, no? So enter first number 5, enter second number 5, third number is 5, fourth number is 5, fifth number is 5. So the sum of 5 numbers is 25. The difference of 5 numbers is negative 15. The product of 5 numbers is 3,125, and the quotient of 5 numbers is 0. If we go back with the sample output, we have the right result here. Remember guys, now when you are writing a program, you always compare your output of your program based on the given example, just like this one, before you can conclude that your program is perfect and correct. That is a word of advice from me, no? So that is programming, because programming is just like mathematics. It is precise and perfect, no, in terms of result as much as possible. Okay, so this is the end of our tutorial video. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code for free in my two websites if you don't want to type, no? So it is free to download. Okay, so thank you so much guys for watching. I hope that you learned something new in this tutorial video, which I solved another machine problem from one of our followers and subscribers in my channel. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.